you can print the recipe from our website. There you can also scale the recipe to the number of servings, or how hot you like it. The link to this recipe's web page is in the description below. For your convenience, captions are available in other languages. Depending on the device, click on the gear icon or other menu to change the captions. This recipe is for 3 servings. If you have scaled the recipe, then please follow those quantities. Heat half a cup of oil on medium heat. Add half a sliced, medium onion to the oil. Stir fry till the onion is brown and crispy. Once the onion is brown and crispy, remove it and put it away. In the remaining oil, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 4 split cardamoms. Add 6 whole black peppercorns. Add 6 cloves. Add 2 split black cardamoms. Add 1 inch of cinnamon. Add 1½ chopped, medium onion to the spices. Stir fry till the onion starts to turn golden brown. Add 1 teaspoon, each, of ginger and garlic paste. Stir fry till the mixture is slightly golden brown. Add 400 grams of medium cut lamb meat. You can use boneless meat, but the bone is tastier. Fry till the meat changes color and starts to turn dark. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of red chilies. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Stir and mix thoroughly. As the water dries and the oil separates, add 1 cup of yogurt. Bring to a boil and add half a cup of peeled almonds. You will be left with a few for garnishing later. Add 1 cup of water. Cover and let cook till the meat is tender. Check that the meat is tender. If the meat is not tender as desired, you may have to cover and cook some more. Crush the already fried onion and add to the curry. Mix well. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of mixed Indian spices. Garnish with coriander leaves. Garnish with the leftover almonds.